Hi there, I'm Jay. Today we'll record about a vital government function, which is recording. So basically, what recording is, it's any transactions you do, which you need to make it as a public record. You would go to your county's office and record it as a county recorder. So any purchase you made of a home buy and sell, so that's where it goes. So we're going to talk about how this happens under the hood. So yeah, so the first is all of them, all of these recorders, they have a fixed standard and they have a means of exchanging the documentation. So generally there is a format of the file and they follow at least in Florida, they follow the PRI, which is the Property Records Industry Asset and Mortgage Information Standards. So basically, so on the wire, the communication is a web service or an API. It's encrypted, and the file format is diff. So basically, it's not it's not like send out as a JSON. The entire document is converted into a diff format, and that is like an image. That's like an image, and you use a web service API. So here, most of them is like old, so it's using a WCF endpoint, and the format is going to be SOAP, and the any elements or attributes coming up there and encoding in that is going to be inside inside an XML inside an XML document. And some of the transactions which can be done on the API endpoint is a submit package where if you are doing a new record, then you pass in a few parameters using key password in a pre package um, which itself is an XML document there. You can submit it, you can retrieve the package, and you can get the package status that you have submitted it, whether it's been received or not. And the same process in a flowchart is you are the submitter, and let's say you are a title company, and the title company is you create an envelope which is an XML document, and you send it to a service aggregator. So the county itself doesn't do it; they have vendors who manage their process of manage the SOAP endpoint. So you basically get an account with them, and then you transfer it, and then these transfers goes as a request envelope to the county recorder's office, and then it comes. You get a response back, and that's where you save it, and you're going to tell your client that okay, there's been submitted and filed. So and this is like you can do it in C Sharp, you can do it in Python. So in Python, Python has got a lot of libraries for handling XML, and these are few of them. XML XML3 elementary. You can do it as a basic parser. If you like it as a DOM interface, then you can use Minidom. And if you want to extract it out or go for a schema validation using XPath XLT schema validation, yes, you can use that XML. XML to dict is also good. It converts it into Python dictionary, and then you can just manipulate everything inside a dictionary. So it's pretty powerful, and this is like the whole steps you can do. You can either do it in C Sharp or Python. If you guys need any help, please contact. Thank you.